Good evening, welcome to Disco Dance. It's Thursday night and it is week 2. We are learning the routine to Dua Lipa's Don't Start Now, but it's the Purple Disco Machine remix, so it's got a real disco flavour. So, with it being a Thursday night, what we're going to do is we're going to combine what we've learned this week, week 2, with what we learned last week, week 1. So, if you haven't joined us before, don't worry, I'm going to break everything down into counts of 8, and then we will dance and repeat right throughout the music. Okay, so just a word of reminder as well, I am mirroring everything you do. So if I say step out to the left, this should be you stepping out to the left, but a mirror version. All right, so let's start. So the very first count of 8 that we are doing this week, we'll start with week 2 this week, we'll just recap. We are going to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So break that down, the heels. You come up with your right heel first, so you should have your toe on the ground like that. Then you swap with your left, then you bring up with your right. Then you wait. Then you repeat on the left side, the right and the left, then wait. Now you repeat that whole thing another 8 counts, but this time you're going to be looking up with your head, okay? So it's really simple. So I'll break it down now with the arms. So with our right heel up, we're going to have a left arm down. So it's a nice strong arm, and you're really moving your arms from the shoulders here. So you've got a real good shimmy going on. Now, also, nice strong arm, and think about sort of poking something in the ground as you're doing this, and then it gives it a nice strength. Your right arm is bent at the hip, as your left arm is straight. As you swap heels, you simply swap arms, so it's opposite arm to heel, and then you swap back. Now on the weight, you do a small repeat on the left side, okay, and then you repeat the whole thing on with starting with the left heel. So we'll go right arm, then we go left arm, then we go right arm, and then we repeat. So always moving from your shoulders. So as I say, the first 8 counts looking down, the second 8 counts looking up. So let's give that a go. Look down, here we go, 7, 8. Right heel, left, right, left heel, right, left. Look up, right, left, right, left, right, left. Nice one. So that's your first, or 2 sets of 8. Now the third set of 8. I'll show you and then we'll break it down. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I want you to do this nice and smoothly, okay? So for boys, you can get your groove on. Girls, really get your hips wiggling. So it's a real kind of contrast to quite a short, sharp movement, and we're going to have a nice fluid movement, okay? The reason being, as before, it's where Dua Lipa's singing, so it just kind of reflects that femininity in the track. So breaking it down, as you step out to the left, you want to bring your right foot together, then you repeat on the right side, left together, then we do 2 on the right, 2 on the left, so we go step together, and the arms, you are kind of rolling around your arms in a circle, and it's the whatever arm you're stepping out with, okay? So we're going to step out with our left, so we've got our left arm going out, and then we come together. As we step out to the right arm goes out, and it comes together. Then we do 2 over to the left, so we go left, and I want you to roll your right arm a little bit now, and then your left arm and roll. That's a lot easier when you're doing it to the music. So let's try it a little bit fast. Here we go, 6, 7, 8. Step, left, step, right, step, together, step, together. Let's do that one more time because it's a bit tricky. Here we go, 7, 8. Step, left, step, right, step, together, step, together. Fabulous. Now, the next 8 counts. Because we've stepped out with our left foot, we are going to be starting up with our left heel on this section. That will make a little bit more sense in a minute. So I'll break it down, but we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's do that. So it's left heel up, then it's right heel, then it's left heel and wait. Then it's right heel, right heel, wait. So really similar to what we've done already. The difference being your arms. So your arms are straight up this time. So your right arm, again, opposite arm to leg. Then you've got your left arm up, then your right arm, and we pulse. So we just pull it in again on that weight. Then you repeat, right arm up, left arm, right arm, pulse. Sorry, other way around. It's opposite arms of foot. So Again, with this one, it's really as well moving your shoulders, okay? So you've got a nice groove in your shoulders. Lean over to the side a little bit as well, whatever feels comfortable, but just enjoy the groove. That's the most important thing with that move. So those 2 8s go together, and we are then going to repeat those 2 8s starting on the other side. So let's just join them together. So we go step out to the left, step out to the right, step together, step, then it's left heel up, right arm, cool, then switch over to the left. Fabulous. So we're now going to repeat those 2 8s, but stepping out to the right side. So I'll break it down, but we're going to go step, together, step, and step. All right, so same arms, same feet, just different directions. So let's break it down. Step out to the right, step to the left, step to the right, and step to the right again. And again, really think about moving your hips, moving your groove, getting your shoulders going. Let's do it one more time. Here we go. Step to the right, to the left, to the right, to the right. Fabulous. Now let's join the arms. So again, right arm out with our right foot, left arm out with our left, and then 2 to the right. So we're going to go round in a circle, kind of round your hips. Okay, let's try that one more time to get used to it, but it will become way easier when you've got the music up, I promise. So we're going to go right side, left side, then 2 to the right. Cool. Okay, so after that, we are going to do our arms up and our heels. Now, because we stepped out to the right, this time we're going to start up with our right heel. So you've got right heel, right, weight, left heel, left, right, left, weight. And the arms, the same as before, we've got nice strong left arm going up, then we switch, and pulse. Then we're on the right arm, right arm, and pulse. All right, let's join those 2 together, starting on our right side. Here we go, 6, 7, 8. Step to the right, step to the left, 2 to the right. Then it's right heel, up, cool, and left heel. Nice. That's it. Okay, that is week 2. So let's do all of that without the music. Then what we're going to do is recap week 1, and then we're going to dance the whole lot. Okay, so let's start off from week 2 with our arms digging down. Here we go. 6, 7, 8. Look down. Cool. And left heel, right. Left, look up. Right heel. Nice. Now left heel. Step to the left. Step together. 2 to the left. Then left heel up. Dun, dun, dun. Right heel up. Wicked. Step to the right. To the left. And right. Right heel up. And left heel. Nice one. So that's week 2. Let's join it with week 1, if you can remember. Again, I'll break it down. So remember, we start like this, with our left leg out, nice strong arms. So we step in for count 1, and we step out for 2, in for 3, out for 4, in for 5, out for 6, in for 7, out for 8. Really get the groove on that one. Okay, then we've got our arms really moving from our shoulders. Go left, right, left, weight. Step on the right, step on the left. Then we step on the right, out, out. Now it's left, right, left on the arm, right, left, right. Repeat. Nice. Left, right, left, right. Now it's week 2. So we're going to dig, looking down. Left heel, look up, right heel, cool, and left heel. Step to the left, out together, 2 to the left heel up, arm, pulse, pulse, repeat to the right, and left, right side, 2 to the right, and 1 to the left. Wicked! That's it, guys. Okay, let's do it to the music. Take a quick swig of water. Let's give it a go. So, quick word of warning, there is going to be quite a lot of freestyling, so just enjoy yourself, all right? I'll shout out what you've got to do and when. Right, let's start that again. Here we go. So just get your groove on for the first little section. 3, 6, 7, freestyle. Nice. So we're coming up to our start. Step your left leg out. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step out, out, out. Cool. Arm, great. Step, tap, step, tap. Step side. Left, right. Step side. Nice one. Left, right. Week 2. Look down 2. And left heel. Look up. Cool. Left heel. Step left. Out. To the left. And step together. Left heel up. Right heel. Step to the right. And left. Right heel up. Awesome. Okay, just do a freestyle. So we're going to go again. So ready, here we go. Step to the left, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step out. Get some action. Step. Outside. Left, right. Step. Wicked. Coming up, look down. Right heel. Left heel. Look up, right. Left heel. Step to the left. Out. 2 to the left. Left heel up. Right heel. Awesome. Step right. Left. Right heel. Nice one. Okay, freestyle again. Here we go. Step out to the side. 7, 8. Step in. Out. Step, tap. Step side. Left. Right, right. Step side. Right. Cool. Look down. Week 2. Left. Right heel. Left heel. Step left. Out. Step together. Left heel coming up. Left. Right. Step right. Right. Right heel. Left heel. Wicked. Now freestyle to the building. Drop. When the track good one. You ready? Let's go out, ready we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo! Left, right. Step, tap. Step out. Left, right. Step out. In good. Look down. Look up. Enjoy it. Look over. Step together. Left. This is the last one we're going to finish with the trap being short. Nice one. Wicked. Well done, guys. Stop the music. Fabulous. So that is the end of tonight's session. Huge well done for giving it a go. So tomorrow, Friday night, we're going to be doing exactly the same with a little bit more of a party atmosphere as well. So I look forward to seeing you tomorrow night at 7 o'clock here on Zoom. If you haven't already as well, head to the website, pop your address on our mailing list so you can keep up to date with all of our classes and events, and also a few top dance tips. Yeah, have a good evening. I'll see you tomorrow night. Bye.